do we prove our identity these days? Well, we usually either show our national ID card or our passport. And how do we prove it online? Let's say John wants to rent a car. The rent-a-car employee asks for a copy of his ID card. All she needs is his name and ID number. John's ID card contains other important data: profile photo, place of residence, date of birth. John doesn't want to share them unnecessarily. That's why John has IDENTYUM ID Wallet, his personal data bodyguard. After successfully identifying John, IDENTYUM takes over the communication with anyone interested in John's data. Now, instead of asking John directly, rent-a-car employee is requesting IDENTYUM for specific personal data about John. IDENTYUM then asks John if it is okay to transfer the requested personal data. If John agrees, IDENTYUM discloses John's personal data to the rent-a-car company. The interesting thing is, not even IDENTYUM knows the personal data about John. IDENTYUM just transfers it without reading. The data is encrypted with a PIN and can only be read by those people or companies to whom John has given permission. John has full control over his data, and so can you. No more taking photos or scanning documents and sending them by email. You can store your ID card and electronic signing certificate in your IDENTYUM ID wallet. From now on, you can legally sign PDFs on your mobile phone. You will soon be able to store your driver's license, college diploma, medical certificates, salary statements, and other sensitive personal data in your IDENTYUM ID wallet. Let IDENTYUM become your personal data bodyguard. IDENTYUM ID Wallet, your secure digital ID wallet.